back with another video. So today's video is gonna be very interesting video, as you have already read the title. It is gonna be according to my zodiac sign. So what is a zodiac sign? A zodiac sign is decided based on आपके birth date पे. So मैं अक्टूबर की हूँ, 2 October. So my sign is Libra. So I'll be dressing today according to Libra. So I have some looks from Google. I have just downloaded some looks from Google. So according to that, I'll be doing my makeup today, my hair and my outfit. So I have already changed my outfit. I'll just attach the picture here of my outfit. So I've already changed my outfit here. So we'll move on to makeup. So yeah. So first is eye makeup. So here is how the eye makeup looks like. It is a very neutral brownish eyeshadow with a hint of glitter. So I'll be doing the same right now. It is not, I will not be giving any tutorial. I'll just quickly do it. In the photo, it was a peachish color. I hope this color goes with it, so I'm applying lipstick. So I applied this peach lipstick here. So here my look is complete. So this is how it looks. Lipstick also here, and my look is complete. So how do you like the look? Please let me know, and is it the same? And that also let me know in the comment section below. So this is the complete eye look. It is a neutral smoky glam eye look, soft glam eye look, and with peach lips. I love the look because this eye look is neutral, so it can go with any lipstick. Nude lipstick would have looked better with it, but okay. So this was the lips given to me, and I have applied peach lipstick. So now I will quickly do my hair and be back to you guys. So this is how my hairstyle looks like. The back of the hairstyle, I'll just link a photo at the end of the video. So yeah, that is it for today. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel, and also let me in the comment section below how do you like the look, and also what look do you want me to create next, or what video do you want me to create next. And yeah, this is the final look.